Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. Before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, so do all of that. And below the video you would find some links, you can check them out. You can join the free Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. So go and join Telegram, check out the brokers. And I want to talk about this monthly membership. So if you want to get maximum benefits out of your trading journey, whether it's Forex or gold trading, so go and check out this membership. And yeah, so in the end, you can check out these links and subscribe and like. Let's get back to the chart here, starting with the weekly. Quite easy for now. It's a trend reversal. Previous highs are broken. So we have three red candles in the last 3 weeks in the weekly chart. Okay. But last week's candle was a confirmation that we're going down because this candle eaten the previous blue candles. So that is why we went down this week, recent week. Quite clear we are in the trend reversal in Euro USD. In daily, again, quite clearly visible. New trend, pullback, new low, pullback, new low. We're going to go up and then again going to go down, coming back to 4 hour. We are already below the EMI. So pull back, the new low, then pull back, and then we're going down again. If I have to simplify this to you, we had a big rejection on Friday, the second last candle in 4 hour. You can see big rejection, so it could not even touch the EMI. And then after the rejection, we had a red candle, so we are going down. Okay, so if I would be you, I would look for shorts in Euro USD only. Okay, and these are recorded videos, so the beauty is that I'm recording the video at a different time, you're watching the video at a different time, and a live trades happens at a different time. So if you want some live action, make sure you join the monthly membership, subscribe, like, check out these links. I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, take care.